a gentle call. Time slows down, we've got it all. The rhythm of a spoon, a soft refrain, a melody born in the mundane. Golden afternoons, they linger, they sway, stirring something sweet in the heart of the day. Golden afternoons like honey in June, every little moment feels like a tune. Windows fogging warm from within, laughter bubbling, where do we begin? The world can wait, it's spinning too fast. We'll hold on tight to this, make it last.